Series of capacity and constraint management. We have to talking about definition and one numerical on this. In first numerical we have to talking about design capacity, utilization and efficiency. Now our military demands more BrahMos cruise missile to defend our country. So DRDO has also implement M2 lines more. So these second questions are based on expanding capacity. So what is the numerical on this expanding capacity? You see here that is the second question. So the second question based on expanding capacity, it means a DRDO now needs to increase production of the BrahMos cruise missile to meet the military demand by adding a new second production M2 line. Instead of M1, M2 line also added to produce the more BrahMos missile. The second M2 line has the same design capacity 33,600 missile and effective capacity 32,075 missiles. However, new workers will operate the second M2 line. Quality problem and other efficiency stemming from the experienced worker expected to reduce output on the second M2 line to 30,000 compared to 32,000 as a first M1 line. The utilization efficiency were 95% and 99.76% respectively from the first question. This is 95%, 99.76% taken from first from here. So the determine the new utilization efficiency for the BrahMos cruise missile operation after adding the second new M2 line. So we have M1 and M2 two lines for the production of more cruise missile. So we now calculating utilization and efficiency of new adding up M2 line. So the design capacity equals to 33,600 into 2 for M1 and M2 line, two lines were added. So total calculation is here, and effective capacity equals to what? That is the M1 line and into 2 because of M1 and M2 two lines were added. So here missiles effective capacity is equals to find out, and actual output equals to what? 32,000 plus 30,000 because of M2 is production of this. So 62,000 missile is actual output. So utilization equals to what? This is a 92% is utilization after. So utilization of new M1 M2 line equals to what? 92%, and efficiency equals to 96.64%. Friends, you see 96.64% is decreasing efficiency.